Obekono ehim kakra na mom no yesi mpemfo aka atwa omo so omboabo mo time na yeba nyaba bewram no afre no omo de omo passport na ma obi a odi fi Nigeria eba aba bewram Ghana nti oba aba bedu a e no mehukin ombefa so a ombetu saa na mo no na aboa na hihye no soro etimi adaye so etimi edi amomo kama pantie no edi aba betodwa ye don sem no so na dan wona aboa amane ma dadi tibe pacho Austria no enyese ya cancel no na mom no yesi omo apply for visa no players no dodo na ebi mu wom ana afi oduwa ni chemo officials ebedi animu akono ebi mu wom visa no omo sentimi ankanti afi na omo twen zo omo de omo passport ne beba aba bedu after no ena omehu anamo betu da mom no menyane ntiyese simpemfo aka netimi ada chomo zo omo ntu anamo a omo jiri se no beboa na hihye no adeda yesoro etimi edi amomo kama pa yedi eramu soro etimi edi amana mom no ye koda ye kokodi koba akra erodu wadi chebo sunyane asompa sunyane Papa Clef etnase na komodidiem na ne oni Mickey Charles edidi din komo Mickey Charles enso ye president edema Techiman City boboko no na ye di kambisa no se ne ketie so kreku eba ye na administration di ejuma oye se no si open pa no reti no be reti ne sen.
The reality there that honum obia me a kabama no 2/10 2 no crown. I'm being charitable because Menim Narrates has say in the history of Ghana football yanko African Cup of Nations and Mafia with 1 point that Ket administration here the 1 point
Sompa sports
in the history of Ghana football me who say any of the junior national teams accord tournament within 2 matches at the 14 to 15 goals so by fear Ket administration you happy you saw it and no nanchen now no other Mukarama was the top scorer in Uruguay under 17 World Cup. And then Mukarama call tournament in Ra. Yasamba field with 0 points. Say I say you retrogress. And you mean was America. But Ghana phone you know Obia to Obia the way Ghana football echo. Yan say Sakatas shed the prayer honum near complaining. Yes and prefer near Kabi football administrators near Kabi. Yan near voice. But a branch administration near me who said defender to me Jano Dan ball to the net.
Atianu yan command e pen friend Mickey Charles ebomode etimi ere tuja omra na san komodidi no eram eboma ne madaye pa etimi edi emom after no osan bomode edidi nkoma odo na re nkoma odi ye no wonsem na ere ye to aso ebisa no ze wonyane ntie ze baby jet Asamoah Gyan na yazine Gyan so obenya the World Cup no na hoden ne de wo ho a bibibia de dana kwama obetimi akoro akwa jama boedwuma etimi ara mo man Ghana no pay asasem no what wonsem de na kere fa ho
me tie the interview no on
Sompa sports
o say ne body ne shut it down say obetimi asanya sa ne body ne back na so oye fit o say Rojamila ye be paying is that how many years 37
I'll quote 37.
Rojamila went to Italia 90 when he was 42 me tie say o dem bet now console ye chia my ye be paying but me here skills kakra bi na matimi aye it means say adwuma no wo me mu dada Asamoah Gyan ball no wo no mu dada talent no wo ho dada ya kai the training and the fitness level me share Black Stars near my year in recent times from Cameroon and the World Cup qualifiers and asefo that's Asamoah Gyan you fit I'm using the word fit and I'm being very cautious so or you fit now say the body now shut it down while gaining the back now say Asamoah Gyan to me a World Cup or you better than the Mihunu Cameroon and the Mihunu World Cup qualifiers but no nimbo yet I want nano but football your talent no one year jumano who fitness level or say kosro I was all your fit as what me about this Asamoah Gyan you fit now say the body now shut it down upper back now say me are working on his weight now at least obetimi assign for Division 1 and Premier League club be cry for a few matches Asamoah Gyan will be better than the kind of players who are more Black Stars currently.
Atianu ya command open pano habo moti etimi edia ni na eboa ema ne makoye permanent Miki no ana tie nkomo ne ne de bobo de ba eboa ma hihye de da di pre tibi erba ni na no on baby jet Asamoah Gyan and also ogidie pa said ne ze Gyan kasa asem no di so ka ezanze wa ebida obetimi aye no wapoa na ntoto no adeda ye kama so no etimi edia momo a obo modi etimi ere ba be den ni na mo no eboa ma bibia so no akoye kama ira ma after no di nkomo kakra erfa ye sponsors Eri omoba ababe supported the Ghana Premier League belt power hon come on say no di no
da ben na won sponsors bi aba Ghana football ma watcha 1 year kurada ka kire me glove for no mo so kura no mo sika bebre glove for no mo di fie sen nti won nwane anko sa ma for the glove sika kura se bet sika da ben na mo be kwa ye bet akwaje she all sa ababe Ghana football mo kan no kura nche nipa mesi nyina yeti ha obi anko ba bia sa ha ya ne wo obi anko ba bia nti ye that dey hire yenko ba bia mo link na mo di twa bet na de bia mo platforms so me ba so a me hu somebody scores I bet so ye be bobo na wie na scores near the same thing no wo sa ko fa bet for the ma ba be ka ya say me say adwuma na de mama na aye fa ala
Atia no ya command your bomb de dear fan in an airport man makoye pera man Ghana de ba ko a ya kan ye bet won say no so no odiun komo kakra ne bet for aba omo baba be fa Ghana Premier League no na 2022-2023 aye bet power Ghana Premier League na hon komo no e no say no di no
a bet ni no twa no nyaska no de bia bremu ni bet power no de adwuma no mo ye Sompa dia adwuma na me no so we are broadcasters me boa bet for no dia no mo ye
onso twa no mo nyeska
omunya ntisa mo mama ya ntwa bet na o me de nyeska dia sponsor league no masa mayen kwa enim na mo ye kanokra mo mpa nokra mo kanokra nche ni pa Ghana ase
atia no ye command na no pe je pene ye course Sompa sunyane era on se Papa Clef abomode je guana oni Miki Charles edin command na Miki akeka kansema wodo na ye football no e course e boama na ma da ye pa etimi ediament ye no mu nchemu a e no otimi eritu dwa Sompa 98.9 na che se sunyane ena san command course ayaba ababe chechu mu kakra e boama na ma koye perma me no kasa no oro ani chemu ampem da ma so ya omo nan sikwan so nchia ne chezo mo dudoma nkro omo ramo Ivory Coast mpata mo no makọ etimi akọ the wafu zombie na chese no eye CAF Champions League qualifier omo eso mekọ akọ ram no maboa na bibia da ye pa etimi edi amemre sim no ye be ram na nkọmọ wos ye di no yakọ akodi no na ne ma de da ye so etimi edi amoma na membra emma me ramo Karela United o maso yakomi aze bibia de da mu ye
nyame adom abudia bi nyame adom
na mami ni nkomo we ansa na mapa na wato aso Augustine Randolph na me didi nkomo bi omoma me Augustine Randolph mfonyi no na nkofo hwe na nkomo na ese na tie meza yes Randolph kotokofo kwanimu kokodi nkomo hatofo kwanimu kokodi nkomo Karela mpain for hwe ya no musika sem no wo form kakra nti no omo so nkomo consider se boy no beton no but omo ze anwe omo nton no ni nyina na say yesi penyi bi ni o makasa ka cho mo se ball na boy we bo no so mo ton ni sesi a o betim dia giska ba dabi no betim anya ska kese pa we yesi ezo a part of your local team no amani volu ne koso se niama de dam ni e ko Austria na obekọ akobo scout bebrebe hu no after no se bo against Nigeria scout beba se qualification die sikia no come main tournament ni bia amoba wonu hu bebiri ntu pre on ton ni sesi a ebe ha adwen kakra do mu hieska ti de metene che se anhwe a ye be maintain boy ne na ball league na first round na ebia so mu si pen na nkosa second round obetimi adwen ne hasa na kotoko
abu di mesha idea na papa ne de mom no keye but ye in a certain talent pool no so
yeah.
And the competitive level for even the right back position of the national team so it could even be so bet me ba na chan no and e bedru Nigeria game no you know football anything can happen e be kwana Samuel Nkunku na ebe tu no
but there's your Ghana right back here no nimbo watching boy
e be kwana Samuel Nkunku na ebe tu no
but sisi right back
assistance there's no right back.
Etuomono what that believe say boy we form a kitano.
But they are players, some we are right back, some with the potential, some bet me displace boy we.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yes.
Oh, but anime had them no.
Yehu net abro be pm kumasa sante kotoko fresh.
Yeah.
So we level an obo. If net should hit that peak, wabo be paying. Obe room ebe easy. Yehu fatal for the national team. Se fatal peak here, fatal will be there. I am not saying say by force internet trying omunton Augustine Randolph, but realistically abu and the deals ni be break clubs ni yen so mo ya no me asem say sell on fee uton a share e be at 35%, sell on fee e the shame e be at 40%. All of these things were there were players who make you Augustine Randolph so better. It is not only Augustine Randolph and no team building itself up every stage aba beduri
akome amate mamenko ma Basiru na Basiru no ye ne the piano di komo confirm me my say no contract na kaka krebi na aso ye se nya so ane sa na uzena ye kazo ne kotoko di komo bobo kotoko we so de no the meeting che say boy ni transi din dwen ne ma bi wanzo abokotoko da
Yeah.
As your buy and on a born in your boy because ne warfare, but community be ne politics near the idea man chance no. And that's how you need it. Yes, you consider foreign options no more than so be see akama kotoko to so no. Yes, so back kotoko ne den pa. Uma Basiu. As you consider and yet we the crazy in your Austrian system. Almost your warfare be brief yamanone. About your clubs to be within Africa or Mope. You be me fiaman on neighbor. But almost you no transidi nor rested in Yamani City treatment. Or Babinyan Kumasi maybe Chamanusi Academa Crobiano. Or who's a Niamabu or man fail to or no. Bono, yet the Nijinama no ball right, but at the end of the day, no one's our politics and all my bar. Oh, player we apostle crano. Now on Emia Mabamono no cry, and find Tino, oh, boom, boo, barbe, calls Adeno. Tiobusi Bueno. I'm on your options or consider. Now, the mental talk cries as this is who's Uma Basiu Shakutu Jisia. A ben one kakra.
Uma Basiu Nankasano. The mate on your Musisia kind in a pide free wafabano. Is a moon now a man on Yaman. The likes of Gideon Wajamudi says he cried on Momati team. Our Moko. A brand was one particular player, now 2 years or back, or was an Kanyoma clicking man as soon on the Martin entry. Because of a more background. Kumasa Santikotoko has a rich history with players that are my boy for paying my club no. But we buy and go see but Abu. If there are opportunities in mainstream Europe, I believe say Abrantian on Conco, but you win your mommy one what be integral part of the local blaster. Abuati the Mechanasino. The possibility say team no qualify. Now so see a kind for one of the clubs for Ghana has we are very competitive in the CAF Champions League or the Confederations Cup. Chan tournament in Ankasan, you have a vital role to also play within it. It's a mixed feeling, Abu. A mixed feeling. Or travel outside and son Albania national team abon ebeche kakra. Obo local clubs say via Kumasa Sante Kotokwa. They be our best at CAF Champions League. So Kotoko dropping from the CAF Champions League there is a Confederations Cup. We bet me an opportunity about that particular tournament and have an opportunity to play for Kotoko at the top level. Chan no subenya opportunities so became because of a track record at home. Or more qualifier one about a national team. So these are decisions also to me. I am very careful when taking it.
I remember Messa Barham is very, very interesting. My meaning come with Steven Sarkodie, or non assistant coach Chairman Pem Dakwa. Na Ghana and champions on FA Cup champions, or money no the normal Kujina Namuna, or more Abu Juma, and so the CAF Champions League. Namu no Bekwa. Jise uramuna okokwe ni amani na bibibia de dadi intino yenzo ni muno yebo zona qualification after no na coach Sack yamwa kwa about Sompa 93.1 Sompa TV. Coach me ba jote menka
Bacha me ton kapa international
na zezia ma doing because it is na bas no na modi ram na modi agisi ano team no ma doing.
Yo, international budi abi mamenche wa tifu awie awie sisia me no kasa ye gina doma ahinkru ye gina omoro baby omo main traffic no wono sisia ye gina o sisia ya me no kasa yi enche be some minutes bi ibetu afri ha na yato ya kwantu so akọ ya musokru
na mu kono boy mu nchemu kakra technical team no mo yedodo sen players sen na mo de omoko ino no kabuma sen ni padodo sen na mo de omuramu
yo me da say international budia bi seri obusana players ya de kono players 26 ana ya de omo eko ana technical team eka ho including the CEO, the chief executive of the team. Ye 12 and ye can team no ho a ye nyina ye bomu akọ nti se o kan nipa dodo ye nyina bomu a na se ye 36 in number ana ye nyina ye free 38 in number and ye free techima na yakọ yamusokrum no Cote d'Ivoire.
Barewe ene amu kono yenuze ya na mpempi eba ne say the club level na Ghana era mo kwa kujina ya namu na mabu ejuma from the Ghana Football Association abaimu na afempi fo awdo na enim so mo nso no ewa abaimu omo ben mo e teach man pata mo no mo de ntutu e bi gu na kwa akwa ese support bi a omo de push mu akwa e fa ni sika sen mu a
Meda say international said you be sansa net here you qualify your call rounds kakra ma nipa binuma boyen na no last week na yo Accra ye be ye rounds kakra and so brena ye de buy na esuanti nipa binuma hye bote ye nkone ye nsamra nanso so mampanyina be di akire ebe ye adom be boaye 50,000 Ghana cedi say yankona yankoboa yankoboa ye homodin say team a ye gina wa ma Ghana enti samu an kakra do for the boy no na nyame adom simuru anomada roma o ma keka bom ne o mo de a o mo de esoti ni asene amaye de akodiboa ti eni me se dia bai ye be hwe won so na se de ye niema no yetimi aya ama na efe because eni me se ye kono Ghana ni da so Ghana for agiyedi Ghana for ni modern mo hazakes ko born last year ntie kono expectation ni say sempo yantumi a de hazakes ko ye no esi etimi dru the same standard
now
oha said ye niema kono no
na ene mu amoye the technical handlers na mu krekra mayo animu no munim say teams na ekọ akobo mo no bi fi Nigeria Togo Burkina Faso na moya kwenya re teams na ye ne omo erekọ akobo ani wo ho no
abi me da se said ye obisa no no kre but the wumpa ne say teams no omo kobo no ye wo omo clips ana omo video bi a ya hwe de okre ni bi ni wo sa nenso ye gi ehudi ena yem boss a wodi anim na na Jo Adakwa our head coach any technical team no nimdia ye wo ma football said ya obi ball a yetimi tenachi na ye dwene se nka nipa ni ye se ya o ye se anka bebo ne team no sa nimdia no na ye nyina ye ka bom se ye de kodiboa na ye de akwakoboa yeni me se ye koi mu amoti akiri a mo hwe no nso Menim se munya yen sa kwa iwazo hwebi ndi ubehuna ade ba akwa na mienu bi ofre na uyi asutira ye de ne be ka ye de a ye won ho se de be ya ye nyina ye nim be banyam iwazo yem boss odi ani me na Jo Adakwa o experience fa ye na anu ya na under 17 omuko Morocco aye ko sisi omunti sa niema ani akwantu mu nsem no sa experience no wo ho ena coach se kan hu nyina wonim die so wo ma football nti sa knowledge na ye kwa impact e we team no se de be boa ya ma yetinya koyanim
oza na anu ade ya ye call World Cup mo ma no bi mo join da under 20 ni omo call
team e koy na ye ma no miensa e ka ho
onim so omo no so ye players aya na omo board da key role ne de ma ampem da ko a omo ne kan bi no enye nsusan so o team na so de
Njisha aye ne se onze nura na under 20 born the last match nti empayinfo aye nhihye sanka omo fly from France to Cote d'Ivoire aye ne efe no eka because in and out no mutwae that ye no mo kai no up to now ibia mai nti de ye ne se ye bai nipa nka ese ye de o mo kono ye ja ye nu o ya chi se ye ni me se enuru ochena ana na de chia de no baba beduru se o ma nhie Cote d'Ivoire na o baba beduru Ghana o mo beduru ya na o mo ne saafo no esima ba bi ye first match ni Saturday 21st and your first match no ho we I know say nyame di omba beduru Ghana enru Saturday no ma ba beduru enti omo bedu na ehwe o ma ho oden ene said the brand ade e wo mumu no na o ma ho oden ne betimi awura team no mu a ye de ombe wuram o ma ho oden ni ntumi a ye be mo rest na omo wo ho no aho oden wo ho a ye de omo mo master te ndi u bisa o he a niema kakra ewo omo a ese omo free Costa Rica be kan ho no
okay say omo be baba be join mo na amabo ejuma no na abo na niema de da ye petimi era mamo ade ba ko a na me peso ka ho asem kakra on kwan amofa so Esha Azakes ladies SNJ the Africa Cup ni fi omonsam J League ni di fi omonsam edim say the maiden edition omo boy around the grand finale at this stage no so no omo compete very well e konkode nkomanima eno so no omo kokko ye djuma o wafunim this time round amoko no Africa bia hunze munim bopa bi omo sha Azakes ni ade a ya na munim sha Azakes so wedin pa o Ghana eno no emfa pressure bi ama metoma mpenda ko aso
I would have made that say said the obisano on say any ampenda ko ani Azakes about several times I'm on my say until this time you qualify ya you nya dom nod no musunya nod no ye tena say ehwe Azakes team no omo hoodin a omo wo omo abilities said the omo si goals and omo defense said the omo city and omo midfield said the city team as a whole and they are planning against one who says Azakes defenders no omo ya de better omo need speed nti dia na yebetimi dia ya atimi omo two omo midfield no omo ye good but omo problem ne say oninya ball and say ono betimi shoot no this time be pass mo obi and we plan against that and you who say omo attackers no so nipa two Dori Godua and Victoria Sani Pamiano see Timmy hold you on my teleso mutim no mutim shego NTI the planning Sani may and team may do or musun kunim never be a many coach basically enter the Viana the catcher and say a was a boa Minumi Hosere and Paying in a huye Yame Aduma ye plans a fire no winning at me Burmo Sa na ya planning tournament ya ye queen. You was a team you more. So we will be a ultimate shia. We will be bomb match from 1 to 5 to 15 minutes. No, say we will be a shia. I'll bet you who team no. Said the Oma who identity. Said the Omu Subani or money yet. I'll bet me a planning again. And none I make us say ye technical team and ye nipa baako. Your boss need the animal another quite the animal. Baya ya kanina teacher for ne doctor for ne nurse for ne nimbia ya wo as coaches no ye nyina de kana na da kwade no ho ye se ye kotena wa hwa ade ne mum de ye sua de nim no ye hu a ye nyina ya sua ya ka ho asem ne ye susu ho na fe ye de aboa se de team bia ye be hia no ye be bom modern se yebetimi ahye no because you know say Azakes score on the first match will see the other two matches or one oboko fanas and oji wa fu zombie in the year corner apart from that no bibia ni wa excuse bia ni we betimi aye and then otoa so the core afon ankasa ekoko boy e ma no so okoto so second nti ye koi enye competition ye ni Azakes ye nenso so ba bi Azakes twa sa wo twa to ho no asese etimi ko na ye ko ye nim chensa because say ba bi Azakes tiri no nko anti na ye ko de a na ehia sanka team bi abefi yakọ because the woman say yakoduru ba bibi but ba bi ye duru na say ye boy homadin say ye betra ni yakọ ye nim na Ghana din aye kese Ghana football apeja Ghana ma football agidi wo wiase nyina amachina bi obi players bia odinani afi Ghana abe players free hadi akoboa iti
Mate coach TV Sakode here that's a pa number but Azakes for no so ma contact your money or ma kasa bi was omo no experience made the edition omo na coach na Ghana na mtino coach Yusuf Bazigi mo money na din komo bia ma na che mo ne ma bia ni so kakra
said the American on the nyina coaches ye nuafo adwuma baako na ye enti nkomo bi a ese ni dise onua nimdie bi a wo ayese ode boa ye asem bi a ese ye susu free no hono ye na di hu nkobo and then nyo no nko a coaches e wo Ghana obi ese se ye bisa ni bibi obi ese se ye kɔ ne nkyɛn na ye pa kwankyere bia na ye tu sa na mo no ene ye koina de ye no so nye se asi wa so see a baby tournament in Indiana. The Docoswa no be as a Bissan assembly, as he is be free or see a dear country be free on. The Docoswa friend and Sapon in Adim Como. kɔpem sɛ yɛbɛhu sɛ yɛn nyinaa deɛ yɛkɔyɛ no yɛayɛ ama na yɛyɛ no obiara so anya animonyam because Ghana nti na yɛkɔ Ghana nti na yɛkɔ nti yɛbɔ yɛn ho mmɔden sɛ yɛbɛkɔ sɛ Ghanafoɔ na yɛde animonyam so abrɛ Ghana. Yeah.
Mate, Coach Steven Sako there. Yeah, wish him all the best. Menim sɛ mo could do so kasa. Why?
Sɛ wo so ama yɛ akwanya awia yi ama watiefo ate yɛn kan. Yame nhyira mbrɛ bi am bɛfrɛ no. Ready sɛ yɛne yɛ mindful bɛkasa.
Tia no ye Coach Steven Sako there. Ono ne assistant coach the man Pim Dakwa. And ne omo kwa Ivory Coast. Afi no mo di doma inkro. Sɛ de rewra bibia. Ti o se kɔ ne kɔkɔ na de omo kɔbɔ no. Enyare keto omo ne ko gina Ghana na munti after zona we no yenya qualification na ye ko na second edition the Azakes for ekoko in the last year no omare so omo so be na niama de da ye pa etimi ede amomo agome afo anu sina member apostle na menkromiki ona afi no ye mfanye we ya but omo ma na ekɔ under 20 no ye wo Anastasia Cha ene wo Abina Opukuana Ophelia say 1 ponsa means omo nyina ki once yeah ki once ejuma na omo ye no mehi omo ti so omo join my na ebebo omo pa
of course you're looking for an impression from the Wafu zonal qualifications, you know. It is one thing I was here sharing very closely in terms of how I'm for complaining about the kind of way I first would qualify. I'm for G2 years and I may struggle seeing to me qualify. But my issues are by, you know, the first edition of the CAF Women's Champions League. We were able to go through the Wafu zone, go to the main tournament, and we did so well. Any the back room I say. Now me are very much impressed their performance or more than they do about Sports Stadium in that particular game. I'm hopeful say they will give us all their best. You will show me good luck and Wafu level na no na thing. Because West Africans ni ya ho de ni epe. Say the city drain na your money be epe. Inti ana ehia ho na din pa. Let's be hopeful that things will go well for them. Na omatimi qualify.
Mate Medasi, Apostle.
Minia.
Yeah.
The American said a Jumana ding, but possible. So far, near Hazaka Ladies Square, a Waffle Zombie, or me Reverse Angels call finals, or more a show more winning a call finals. Any Mamelody Sanders, a Mano, a Lucia in the finals. That's a maiden edition. Those are clubs somewhere well funded as compared to Azaka Ladies. Omo Konona Lalasuli line on yes. Because Simon is excellent the Vice President, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and Muska. This time around, so Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, I must say that a mano somo call baby Omayama Hazaka Ladies, almost Ayama Pinakoa. And Hazaka Ladies is the same time no more for Zumbi.
Yeah.
And Oyama. Tournament proper no so or provisiomo a highly commendable that His Excellency the Vice President be enya interest a man no bobo on him say omo ko represent of my Ghana and the kakra so all the buano oye and he's been consistent Azakes and a for Pimdakwa me bona basu it's not easy for you to have the second gentleman of the land not show interest. Ma bobom. Now reality is a very difficult competition. Azakes are setting a certain bar. This year, Zombino and Pimdakwa Group B against Ostak FC of Burkina Faso, Athletic of Togo, and Bayelsa OFC. It means that they need to the winners to back finals, and so some will qualify a topic group way to be able to get to the finals. Fortunately for Apimdakwa, Zombino there were 2 slots.
Yeah.
And to share, made in AFCON, Reverse Angels, any Azaka ladies they qualify representing Zombino. And the Zombino adding zone A. And the Omomiomweni now, especially when they were able to dethrone Azakes. Don't forget that these Azakes ladies minus 3 top stars are Omatomo. And so Hazakes are holding to say the Hazake ladies are no more boy. But whatever the case is, Omoye, the current champions. Hazakes, they say, all Kasano, Hazakes are setting Barbie. And to almost Pesomo Tras Abano, Pesomo Tras Abano, 1. Omo qualify first from the zombie. Omo qualify we are. Some try Hazakes ban and some Pesomo Koji. And it's possible. Listen, Hazakes, any Mamelodi son as a man, Sebi. inexperience at that stage, any mistake, they would have won that particular trophy. And so, possible, omunye determined, omunye discipline. Coach is almost say tactical about say a ready game there. A come fast, the Hazak is fast, you know. Clearly, just a Bassi ready game, first 15 minutes or no, and some kind of they can do a good job. So, among call they give up their best, and then make sure somebody Omwan Kasa team no proud. Ghana proud. No muntia say that platform. Betimia mama ton players. And then because a ma bono calf amasika bemu. And nyonyamu bemu for the first time, ye konya a winner taking $400,000. Runner up, but taking $250,000. And so the siano sika bempa. Akwenya beba say ye ampimdakwa emano bi benya akwenya ya toma call. Some of the clubs, even on African continent there. Club no beti mianya dollar kakrebi. And now say in this tournament, unim ni pa show. Na kwenya ba say boy azaka is when you breach no mkoye. Ye boy ambutu beti mianya mienu minsa and 9 or more than that kwa breach. Kakrebe ba no. Ombeti mi edi abuakla. So there's a lot at stake for them. Omo timi do finance. Omo na do finance. Unum say $250,000 any guaranteed. Who do finance non kwa dia. Say nyambo finance. Until who do finance now. $250,000 no there. Unim say how they are guaranteed. I feel the assault when you come more than 400 no. What do you say? Now you can imagine $250,000 to Ampimdakwa ladies nearby Momo. That would be huge. And see, almost as a club, no, ni almost standing to gain no more than everyone Ghana stands to gain. As a club for the team financially, players nakasa the value appreciation. What do you say? I need the history of the club. And see, there's all to play. There's a lot at stake for the club. And you share, and Hazaka is your normal because this time around, maybe you this year, and I can't more boy and Ombeti cano to make finance.
Yeah.
Now the opportunity has been given to Ampimdakwa that they should go. And yeah, Kasa there, yeah. But a Jumano, Omonkoje Jumadin, Kundin, now I'm making sure somebody do fine. I'll be happy. We need to do finance. I mean, so at least and you have never fire na ya TTB and Sana Kakrebia bomb. But with the 250 no about and the best support you your bomb by a mom. Near Cano the Oman Ombe Jumano Park no so. And the your bomb by say Bibia Beko ya mom. Now who's the minister today? Mickey Charles and somebody my will be out China now we.
Minister voice
Omo kono. Now mo target ye gold. Ni silver. Beboa. Sadly someone jikra gold back. Now sometimes unim. Your ministers no ya no mo kase sebi ye nkola e okuruma. How on earth were you expecting a gold? First of all, minister o konanka discipline, but some can't discipline or gold.
I was the NTA Kakramra, NTA Minister Kakramra.
Some of you went extra mile by getting silver and bronze. With the target we left this country was for us to get gold, silver, and bronze among the athletes that we sent. Unfortunately, we could not get gold, but we had silver and bronze. And I know the next Commonwealth Games or the next Olympic Games or the next any
no. Na osi economy pe gold, silver, and bronze. But gold in the nyabi.
It is not true also who die. Yeah. You see, if the honorable minister was sincere and serious about this so-called target, which I know he was not serious about it, and I know you former ministers of sports the same thing. They call major tournament. Sa Ghana had to make answer koji gold ba 10,000. And so near gold here. Yeah, first of all, minister no see. They target their gold. Discipline ben on him saying gold free. The only discipline in Ghana here called major sporting discipline. Competition will be I know that's already near me ye nika benya gold. Boxing. Amateur boxing.
Yeah.
Is the only guaranteed discipline with investment kakrani effort here benya. The amateur boxing team preparation was highly poor. Besides Coach Asari. Terribly poor.
Omo J bronze and silver.
Yes.
Omo preparation.
Silver and boxing.
Yeah.
And he was talking about gold. Because if we had made a little effort in terms of investing in their preparation, and Kanyanya gold, also Mikato said gold there was better. But listen, yeah, so about the facts, the issue of Obi said Shakula Medni and they said, or no, the way they are, or one of them, but the preparation was poor. The amateur boxing trainer, Coach Asari Ofori, they complaining bitterly. On one kasa ni media ni experience or and a year sana or encourage boys in the midst of that. No better on my back. Uti office. Oh, you know, our target was to get one goal. So goal is you invest in the preparation. We never fought any boxing team outside Ghana. Are you highly poor if you want to win a gold medal? You fight opponents are more likely to qualify for the Commonwealth Games. And when seen turnout, that is what you do. Most of the British boxers that are winning medals today, from Emir Khan to Anthony Joshua, that is what you do. Sometimes I'm going to talk about 20, 30 different nations. Now prepare ye mistakes in Kitinkitibi. You know it's 3 rounds of 3 minutes. And you're not Jabi. Amateur boxing and Jabi. You don't have the time. You should know what is called. On mine Nankasano, de piano, ye chantro, ye penny for no, oh, Nanki ye pewi, but adia openu, ye disika, a quanswatch, adia air fern, you know, sika. And nobody, I'm not talking about this minister, past ministers, you know. I'll watch it, baby. Watch it, yeah. Last Utienia coach no can trainer no can or say Adena ye winning medal ha ye ntimi ko win Olympics. Because your people Olympics is a different, that's why you have the best, most of the world top boxers. Most of the world, 90% of the greatest boxers the world has produced a Olympic medalist. Tiahono some poor preparation where a man will come off no. Majority of the nations have ever Olympic Games with strong boxing pedigree. No, they don't. Britain and colonize you about Commonwealth Games. And to which Commonwealth silver or gold medal, only few Commonwealth medalists go on to win Olympic medal.
I do already ask a more America as compared to Olympic Games, you know.
A war bre. Ntina. Coach Nankasa bisa question. Adene higher the next Olympics yanko. Because I know intensive preparation. You have to fight a lot of top nations. As only Britain amateur boxing, as only Kazakhstan amateur boxing, as only Cuban. You have to fight because you are going to meet those boxers in preliminary stages in quarterfinal. You are going to meet them, and the coach is no training your money. No more share sinto. Na boxers Nankasa so yanema scoring. Unfortunately, Angosa.
Mati, Menim is all chair bana. Ya baba betwa san common on Mickey Charles there no. Migi.
Abu.
You got grandma me.
Emane yako Mickey Charles on common and number me rim. But my main cancer majan diane kakra. You see the topic of Jan say or call walk up and non call walk up no. Go on to expose how I football in the CIA. The last time I Jan ball at 1 year. That was in May 2021.
Yeah.
Minute I ball football we 90 minutes. Jan embo mu 30 minutes cry. And it's a 90 minutes no chemu miensa. A 30. A mu quarter. That is 1/3 grown to me.
Last time no boy no about many minutes.
Last time 1 minute. And about 16. And about 8. In the last 3 competitive games in a minute I no. 1 minute, 8 minutes, 16 minutes. Okabomwani nano saying 25.
Yeah, 25.
Intending the competitive minutes are janable. In the last year now, come once a day. Jan has not been engaged in any football activity of whatever we are. Yabeka say, are you competitive enough to even get him starting? Are you good? So I started prepare, we started training. But Jan nedia waya magana ni, and he's a solid striker. Ejumo yeah bona basu yeah. But Jan modern bono enye leveler ye beka se bi a pele bi enye level ebeka se bia Maradona bi enye level ebeka se bia Eto'o bi no koye ne ya fino to the extent that ehu hia se ye twene de ne ba ansa na ye team no yetimi akọ World Cup na akọ akoye bibi because nkoma me ki Charles di ne say obeya ade ase omo so obeya ade ase omo ha then it paints a very bleak picture about a football no going forward. Trebi say your football no we are lacking in terms of quality. Dear Wofie, dear Wamanone. Dear Wofie, what has been the situation? You need enough quality to even match up to the level like you need some more or more free amanone bar or more average or more shut down your top.
Yeah, for a bit me on my
compete. You need to meet me a match or me compete. Good. And I can woman so scouting for them. And even giving them the opportunity to solve a problem. Selections have been based on nepotism near there. There have been times over Tinaha, who say, play away there. In the modern money, send you see na kind. Can a contribution be very crucial? Let the Ama Black Stars. But player no, and no China, your best friend, and no China, a base, a bureaucrat, friend, ba, so benye biabo a issue. So aside the glaring lack of quality, kakrane woman so ye emphasize sincerity and fa no kredi ni adwuma. Intiama we have denied some select few and committee me abono a chance to justify why they deserve the Ghana jersey. We here no so free more. Then it comes to how we run and promote our national teams and the angle. It looks like clearly your football national sites, no, we lack a clear path, a vision, quite when you faso. And it has cut through several divides. And even a money inano aye bako. And mema kwa na jego. And ma kwa na jego. Sini eka Black Princesses asem. And run the first time Omutumisha go. Ewa tournament omo boy.
And also crash omo for.
Yeah, a kaka krebi. Anki ebe tournament ne ebe bano. Nanka go bako cry and shebi. Black Queens and fa. Ana Morocco suna a year in Cordano under 17 for no almost to the show money. So a ma football no in almost every angle ye free. Baby ananki nim sinke to me ya de kakani under 17 level. But Morocco with a clear vision, with planning, with preparation and then investment. Or ma baby 2 year. Inti Morocco eliminated Ghana. Then no about Memano under 20 core yakosi saying there were calls that ebimu deserve say from ya from ebimu ye say anye ye call ezito ejigui and at 23 one sem de yenka local blasters in the year bomb pie say befa they have one last hurdle to scale any against Nigeria.
I don't come perform better non comfort teach you play bianca what's your friend no your free way
and a blasters na nkasano even after qualifying against Nigeria. Abu, what was the last time you win a competitive game? Ghana outside Ghanaian soil. When was the last time? It tells you the state of football in the womb. In Tinky football near Kajan common cranky yendi. No, we will not be having this conversation. Sanky football near players are begging on Mona so bar. We will not be having this conversation.
Yo, Mickey, guarantee attackers last time I hear call up on. Chrissy Ochevit, Jordan Ayew, Andre Ayew, Benjamin Tete, Felix Afene-Jan.
And I can tell you with no shade of doubt, say a fit Jan, as I said, Yawaka Benjamin Tete, Kwesi Ocheret, Afene-Jan, Wako Mabu Moshe Blasters JC. Men have meaning Kasem. As a matter of your fit.
We just want how when you say strike is we. As a way I fit a crowd. Not the new could anymore. So the original man and take in paper about the man. The room we move.
No question what you rate or the Bebo or Boba Strikers. No, me patcho. Let's sell. Or the Boba Mammy. Me patcho P. Boba Mammy.
Because you're rate. And they all Jordan Ayew, Andre Ayew, Benjamin Tete. Felix Afene-Jan. Not Daniel Fie Bane.
Or the for Andre and Jordan Fijin and Chenka. I said Jordan, they're not near Samoa.
Yeah,
okay. But the Bobo, the Akano.
The Akano.
Question what
you rate. Benjamin Tete, Felix Afene-Jan, Daniel Fie Bane.
Way, also what they call, Udia Tio, way no, also what they call World Cup. Way, also what they call World Cup. And there, Edison Cavani, on retire, or that's over born idea, but
I want Kwabuku.
Now what first one the crime say first one nin yet. Options.
Me mama mo achi so mama kan.
What do you say? The omo be ball omo akwanya so mbebo bi no kra no. Dey na me catch now be ball omo ye other options.
I say we so akofa ase about. Only say na man di la gale ball we get from wo la typical abala.
No, you see clearly as it stands now. Even omo head omo ba. So omo ba be beefy up your team no. They are basically wing attackers.
You need go poacher
forward. You need center forward. You need striker. And it tells you the state of your national team ni wom clearly. And Kajana and common in Kiendi.
And this four liners no crowd the Oma because or you play a typical we have a team na bo anymore here. I think say Benjamin Tete Nkwao. Oh, accept na make. Mama Kofako. Accept na make.
Of course. O dey on person to Debbie. Accept no one person.
Ebiso unya to was it team you.
Who say in common?
The match on say sisi attack is here we. Ebiza Felix Afinijan. Oze Jan dey akwada afi no fe. Ono kra ye bompa is a room no. O fi ono kobulo baby. Ah no konkobo. Ene dey nke bebo aye pa. Oh, but remember, do you typical go poacher? Send me na manai Benjamin Tete.
Go poacher ne dey.
Tete Benjamin Tete.
Go poacher.
And the mother na fear ya ba hospital.
Ade no go poacher no. Eye brofo. E chese de go no. O hanti go no. I saw about 4 into a go before.
Or Jabba Beto, so 0551 931 931 0551 931 931 0548 931 931 048 0548 931 931 with me joining now. Or do I do charity? Ababa Jo DNA baby our Casafi.
I'm a pastor, yes, let me Ibo National, me do I do a gratis for Papa Pesi.
But I told you,
my mama pastor, my family, do my Sompa. Na ufena nema ba ko kan se akaye Ghana ball ya ka asamaja issue is ya nya de party ayampa samaja waja football bo udi adani live band ni enyom ni asa na boys na yiro mu wewie abbo qualify asa na uti hunya obebo omunu no mu kenyi fondi asamaja fa data funem be che mienu ewo ho eti yesro mu boys no me blame no me boy no omo nko no me ko si aka no
ti oyibo me da se me pa to DNA baby akasafi me say we fi mu me hwe na me call baby fofo na to aba o DNA baby akasafi yaza
Robert me kasafi coaching kwasa an go ta to get no pe na je so fi ami so tia na bezabu ne mu kenya ya na wo mtire se o se fi ba na so afina ba. It is a bit of free body, and no Quaka, but Asamoja, about Bruce, what does it? It is there, Masamoja, the coaching course to be our part. I started to coaching course, the black side again, when you be more, but as a
Martin Zomedas, Bevajo, Udiani Baby Akazafi.
The champion of the moment.
Yes, sir.
Would there be?
Yes, sir.
Me patch of man 88 in your draft room.
I'll meet you.
I will be able to there.
Or then one answer.
We did this with them come. Abu, I'm saying, my and Gianni, and I'm from how to focus fine. Jonas Atuki and Okresa.
Oh, that be your official. Why?
And your official.
Anne.
Abu, work at Takasano, we are fabulous in the Babu, do the work at Takasa, what you might find into Timo. Work at Takasa, what you might be diligent. Yet you have some fire from this Super TV. You'll be able to choke with the water.
Edio. Wa jo dia le baby akazafi.
I'm a gatuso,
Ba jo mi ti o gatuso.
Abu Naminda ya kadina famu ya na kana. Na samoja kwa kwa je ndio mkoe ni Brazil kwa nene ile be ubwe. Samoja kwa plan ndio Ghana kwa.
Mate, me da se pa be pa cho dia ni baby akasafi.
Awanche urubanya for abudia bia na miesa o. We dey unia family eduni because of very good show.
Baba jo meet you.
We dey we makoya so say na me do me da we na sports school get to be kwa me do o kan organizer. Aka America. Asamoja atemi, Mr. Asamoja, you believe ade a waya magana no enyina eni so. We ko da waya Africa na eni so. Dimo me be se no. This time so the concept party here you. Enya blobi ni ebedi. Ade se sure munchale mu omubo ati football mu kura no. Omuko ye mu omudi
na sabi o wa da no nyom to na se ko me ne ni training bi a o ha ne to pa na funo fo a ko ya ni so ni system ya kana fo ni ko so mo di akuma e di ago system do nya bo no bo wo mo no nyom na respect e wo ma no enka o se nya bere wake up e ko na go any e ko di e je be fo no any ko di serious no players are on your right people are much e jo ma na dem akoko kwa na so mo ja le so obo bere wi yes simply for me no papa
Mate me da se pa me ba to di ani baby akasafi
the famous line also ja it came na make say
baba cho me too
in fact asamoja any concert party no be you monka Ghana strike a baby Ghana is strike is big yes strike why is done point game in the show one yes a concert party very easy asamoja and the World Cup mumpo jam the World Cup that's
Mate me so me da se pa baba cho di ani baby akasafi
hello good afternoon
yes sir
I'm doing the Francis Mikasefra Katu and Jamil.
Francis me too
Abu come family ya Kasamoja and company baby now no ko ndina home ba me dia ka family Asamoja any Jordan Jawa me ya Asamoja ja Jordan so me da se
ate me so me da se pa me pa cho di ani baby akasafi
what am I Ibrahim Kasafi report
Ibrahim me too
Asamoja kwa the ma kwa dia ma free ba ne ko
ate me da se Ibrahim me pa cho di ani baby akasafi
ya dia bi ni e karama wa me Kasafi bokum
Dama me too
ya mom pa ni fa ba so senora Jesus atina asase na ne me sere o mo se mo to di no Jesus no e lo che Ghana team na ebo ya pese e be bobo lo awie no na mo tintim kola no nta bi ka pro dia na ha sofu ye sisa ye sere o mo ano no o mo ye mo aba so sere o mo di to di no di the team there deserve be an strong Oma ultimately team no deserve to become United. By the end of the tournament, you know, not become United in Agi. They are the Karama one.
Matimeda, Sebacho, now chat to the baby Akasafi.
Yabi, a seven swag lord, you are brass.
Bacho meet you.
Yabi, I make us say, I'm watching me, okay. The Bias move up the routine, not to Monena for the Yom. The Yom was over one night, the Empire of Wamona. In that mountain and
who be some question another? Episode cause what cap there's all quasi squad and a list of numbers been out they continue. I think I'll be fado Ronaldo Marco. Near one player and two players penna or your mobile quack. Yaro premium boy, yabeba. Ochina no pass 7 to 7:30 tip off for the bar and 9:30 to 12 full time to be ready. I'm 3 to 4 shootout in the run. I'm going to top 6 in Chelsea lead 1-0. I'm on media match and into Ochina. You're on common. Be ready. I'm here call now Menim DJ Tofiakwa manager Babe Transi. Now what bomodena at was waiting me.